We have now established the two most important pillars for your success: your identity as a healer in training and your powerful emotional why that will serve you as your destination. With that foundation set, it's time to take our first concrete action. Before we begin any journey, we need to know exactly where we are starting from. We need a map. That's what we're going to create right now. This is your symptom map. This is not just a list of complaints, this is your baseline. It's the objective starting point against which we will measure every bit of your progress you make. On days when you feel frustrated or like nothing is changing, this document will be undeniable proof of how far you've come. So I want you to open your journal to a fresh page. At the top, write today's date and title, My Starting Point. We are going to assess four key areas on a scale of 1 to 10. For this scale, let's define it clearly. 1 means the symptom is barely noticeable, and 10 means it's the worst you can possibly imagine, completely disrupting your life. Let's go through them one by one. Be honest, be thoughtful. First, pain. This includes any burning, stabbing, aching, or electrical zaps. Think about your average pain level over the last week. What number would you give it? Write down pain and your number from 1 to 10. Second, numbness. This is that dead feeling, the sense that your feet are wrapped in cotton or just aren't there. How severe is that feeling of numbness? Is it in your toes, your whole foot? Rate the overall severity from 1 to 10. Write down numbness and your number. Third, tingling. This is the pins and needles or static electricity sensation. For some, it's a constant buzz. For others, it comes and goes. Again, on an average, how intense is your sensation? Write down tingling and your number from 1 to 10. And finally, number 4, balance. This one is a bit different. Think about your confidence. How stable are you and how do you feel when you're walking? How much do you have to think about it? For this scale, let's say 1 means you were perfectly stable, like you walk on a balance beam, and 10 means you feel extremely unstable, needing support to walk safely. Write down balance and your number. Take a look at this list. This is not a judgment. This is not a failure. This is data. And in it is the most powerful tool you have for tracking your success. We're about to declare war on these numbers. Every action we take from this point forward, every meal you eat, every therapy you perform is designed to make those numbers go down. Put this page somewhere safe. We will be coming back to it at a specific checkpoints throughout the course to celebrate your progress. You now have your identity, your destination, and your starting point. The map is complete. The next step is to take your first step on the path. Let's move on to the pantry purge.